Hello friends, welcome to youtube.com oblique Dr. Ved channel. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor Head, Veterinary Medicine. In this presentation, we are going to discuss important zoonotic bacterial disease, glandar and Farsi, in part 6, the last part. We discuss treatment, prevention and control of glandars and Farsi. We discuss here the treatment of glanders. Treatment of glanders is not carried out because glanders is a notifiable disease. It is an important zoonotic disease. As per the Glanders and Farsi Act 1899, the infected animals must be destroyed and disposed of very safely because this is a dangerous disease. Precious horses can be treated with sulfadiazine, gentamicin, and ceftazidime and other drugs. But generally treatment is not undertaken as per the Glandar and Farsi Act 1899. We have seen that treatment is not carried out. So it is better to perform prevention and control. Prevention and control of glanders and Farsi require a special program from the government for early detection of the cases. So the spread of disease will not occur. And program for testing of suspected clinical cases. At the same time, screening of apparently healthy equines and humans in certain area, it is a must to prevent the disease. If we know the disease, then we can prevent the disease. Otherwise, it is difficult to prevent the disease. And on detection or clinical cases screening or by any other way, if we come to know certain cases are positive, then we have to completely eliminate the positive reactions as per the Glanders and Farsi Act. We continue the discussion about prevention of glanders. Glanders is a notifiable disease under a very important act, Glander and Farsi Act 1899. All these preventive and control aspects and diagnosis aspects are described under this Glander and Farsi Act 1899 and clinician has to perform accordingly. As per the act, the animals declared positive must be destroyed and very safely disposed to prevent the disease. The glandar is a notifiable disease not only in India but in many countries around the world because this is very dangerous zoonotic disease. We continue the discussion on prevention. There must be strict restriction on the international trading of horses and horse materials to prevent the spread of disease internationally, and strict restriction of the local movement of the animals, horse, mules and donkeys to prevent the spread within the countries. Whenever any case of glandar Farsi is found, the appropriate ministerial agency must be informed regarding the suspected or confirmed cases of glanders. It is a must. Here we will discuss some important aspect of control of gland and Farsi. Its control and prevention aspect is somewhat different from the other countries, from the other diseases. It is because important zoonotic disease. If any animal died due to glanders, then carcass should not be opened so that infection cannot be spread. The carcass must be buried or incinerated. That will stop the further spread of the disease. All in contact animals or suspected animals or suspected imported animals must be isolated and tested. If found positive, reactors must be slaughtered. We continue the discussion on control. All manure, the bedding material, the feed residues, and any other material that is in contact with the infected animal must be burned or buried. There must be complete quarantine of the affected animals. Important step. The remaining animal must be subjected to Malin test. We have already discussed field Malin test, and these tests are to be performed at the interval of the 3 weeks. There must be a vigorous disinfection of the premises to kill the bacterial infection of the glands. By this way, we can effectively control the glandular disease. Friends, here I have discussed important aspect, treatment, prevention and control that is applicable under fit conditions. It is requested to share this information to veterinary friends and veterinary students to promote the channel. Requested to subscribe the channel, and thank you very much to you all for watching these videos and supporting this channel. Thanks.